Hey, everyone! Today I want to show you how to remove a Snapchat filter from a video. It's a simple process, so let's get started. First, we want to open Snapchat. So, click on the Snapchat app. After opening Snapchat, you'll see the main screen. Today, we will see how we can remove the filter from a video. For this, you want to click on this button to access your saved snaps. Once you're in the Memories tab, you'll see all your saved snaps. Scroll through and find the video you want to edit. After clicking on the video, it will open up. To remove the filter from this video, click on the three dots at the top right corner. A small menu will open up in front of you. In this menu, there are a lot of options, but we will click on Edit Snap. After clicking, the editing interface will open. For removing or changing the filter, simply swipe right on the screen. Swiping right will cycle through the available filters until you reach the original, unfiltered version of your video. Now, you will see the video without the filter. At this point, you can save the unfiltered video by clicking the Save button. And there you have it. That's how you can remove or change the filter on a Snapchat video. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.